Njeri wa Muigai nĩaumbũrĩte maũndũ matiga mafans ake maihũirwo nĩ kĩeha na makĩyumĩria na njĩra nene mũno kũũmĩrĩria Njeri wa Muigai na makĩonania kũmakio kwao nĩ maũndũ marĩa Njeri wa Muigai akoretwo akĩgerera but not many people knew about, but Njeri has for the first time revealed them. Na Njeri some few days ago nĩguo arakorirwo agĩshare a first story ĩrĩa ĩratigĩra andũ megegeire mũno. Njeri akĩarĩrĩria ndwari ya mũtindĩkĩte mũno kũndũ nginya akorirwo agĩthiĩ for surgery, na Njeri shared this akiuga this was one of her most trying and most difficult moments of her entire life, na akiuga ti ndwari yarĩ nini kana hũthũ, nĩ ndwari nginya yamakĩtie her relatives na othe magĩtigwo makĩyũria kana will all be well with her. Tondũ she says at first she was admitted in hospital agĩkwo surgery, a major surgery mind you, and then she was discharged na akĩinũka mũciĩ, but a few days later ndwari ĩyo ĩgĩcoka akĩgĩa na ruo rũnene mũno kũndũ nginya acokirio thibitarĩ na mandagĩtarĩ magĩkĩmwĩra atĩ she would have to undergo another surgery, na Njeri has revealed atĩ that would have been her 7th surgery, ũndũ ũtigĩte aingĩ mahotetwo mũno. Na Njeri agĩkiuga last year a time like this I was very sick and had to undergo a major surgery. I was discharged and went home, but 4 days later the pain couldn't stop and was taken back to hospital only for doctors to say that I must undergo another surgery. You can imagine how the news got deep into my heart, because that was the 7th time I would be in that operation room. My relatives were so worried, but guess what? I was just smiling, because one thing I had confidence with is my covenant with my God. Na rĩu o rĩngĩ nĩaugĩrĩte nenda-inĩ yake na gũkorwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩngĩ yatiga mafans ake onao mena kĩmako ona makĩria. Njeri agĩsummarize her 15 years, the past 15 years, iria augĩte atĩ it's been years of happiness, pain, agony, ups and downs, and even joy, all that mixture. No ũndũ ũrĩa wamakia andũ mũno nĩ harĩa Njeri akorwo akiumbũra atĩ there are times she would even have suicidal thoughts, na akiuga nĩehingagĩra rumu kana nyũmba yake akarĩra mũthenya na ũtukũ tondũ the pain would be too much. Na Njeri agakiuga she knows every frustration ĩrĩa yũkaga na heartache, na agĩkiuga thanks to God she has been able to pull through and get through some of the most difficult points in her life, na nĩekwenda gũkorwo akĩheana rũgano rwake wega. Na this is what she has shared, akiuga the birth of Woman of Courage ministry. For the last 15 years I've been through a lot, happiness, joy, pain, agony, ups and downs, having so much money and lacking even a coin in my pocket. Sometimes I would even have suicidal thoughts. I would lock myself crying day and night. Sometimes I would be very happy and enjoy life to the fullest. I've fought silent battles that no one would understand, breaking down with no one to share with. But at the end of all that, I became the woman I am today. I thank God for the 5 years brought me, and out of all this, God has put in my spirit a burden to start this program of encouraging those who are hurting and don't have anyone to talk to. I feel I need to be there for those suffering in silence because I've been there. I know the pain, I know the frustrations, I know one can do unbelievable acts due to heartaches. Yes, I know. I welcome you all to come and support me start this ministry, and I know it's gonna help many out there. Njeri akiuga nĩekwenda gũkorwo a shoulder to lean on for many women who may be going through the same thing that she has went through. Agĩkiuga heartache na pains cia mũtũrĩre na moritũ ma mũtũrĩre nĩ maũndũ agereire, nĩ maũndũ oĩ wega mũno, na but she has been able to conquer, she has been able to get through. For 15 years hatikoretwo ya ũthũ kũrĩke, na agĩkiumbũra maũndũ matiga mafans ake magĩkiuga nĩ ma she is a warrior. Ti aingĩ mangĩhota kũgerera maũndũ ta macio na makorwo at this point they are strong and smiling, and they are so glad kuona she is even starting this program na initiative trying to help out other women who may be going through the same in their marriages and also in life. Na makĩmwĩra congratulations for this initiative and also this major ministry that she is yet to start. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe.